Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find app management options and how to customize them. So first of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings, we need to go to the apps menu, and at the top we have app management with a list of all the apps. So let's open the first app on the top. So we can customize all these functions. For example, we have app permissions here. We have battery usage here that we can change. We have data usage here, as you can see. Also, we have the option to enable supported links. What we have here, we can have manage app if unused option, so we can enable or disable, and we can have display over other apps switch. Here, of course, we can uninstall application using this option, and here we have our permission manager and notifications at the top, and that's